Hello everybody and welcome to another spooky Halloween series. Hold on, let me blow some smoke. Ooh. I'm not that big into Halloween, but this year I said,
I'm gonna get really into Halloween, like really into it.
Gross.
So I got our dark ambiance again, and we got a little, what's this? A little pumpkin light, you know? Look at that. Ain't that jazzy? Okay. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do these nails right here. The easy way, but we gonna cheat. We not drawing all that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna make these personal nails. But first I need to take these, you know, I'm gonna start with my little competition nails. We're not keeping them that long. You gotta cut these joints down. So they are gonna be long though. I ain't gonna lie. Let's come down to about right there, huh? I'm gonna just take some scissors, cause they right here. And maybe like that long, that length. Yeah. Okay. I probably could have did better, but you know. Okay. And then I just cut them all. Oh shit, where'd that go? I'm gonna have to pick all that shit up. You know, that's still pretty long, huh? Whatever, I'm gonna keep them there. I'm gonna keep them there. They just flew everywhere. I gotta go pick them tips up, hold on. All right, I'm back. I don't know why I was whispering. But anyway, I know it's kind of hard to see at this angle. It's a strange angle, but I'm just taking my file and going over the top, so I end up with a real square tip. And see, this bottom part right here is too round for my thumb, so I'm just gonna file that a little more straight. Then I'm just gonna file down the base of the extension a little bit so it'll sit a little more flush to my nail bed. I'm gonna just take a base coat, throw it on all the nails. Pow. And then I just got my white gel polish and paint all of these white. I gotta get me a better white gel polish one day, child, because this one be getting on my nerve. But it gets it done. It gets it done. But yeah, this ain't be getting on my nerve. Oh, but I'm gonna use what I got. And here goes our white set. Now let's try to do some blood splatter. Now I ain't never did it before, but I seen somebody do it before. So we gonna try this. Now I know I need red polish and alcohol, but I don't know like the measurements of like what to what ratio I need. So I'm just gonna mess with it until, I don't know, we get something. And then take a little alcohol. I don't know if there's a certain percentage I'm supposed to be using. I mean, who knows? And then mix that on together. Now watch the video. And what they said is take the little toothbrush and you should be able to flick it on here. Let's see. Okay. Maybe I don't have enough. Let's try that again. I'll flick it on there. And that ain't doing a damn thing. I mean, I got some dots on here, but that ain't. Let me just tap this shit. That ain't do nothing either. Maybe I need more blood polish stuff. Let's mix up some more. All right, here we go. And flick it on there. Still not nothing. Shit. All right, let's see. Tap it. Now, no. Oh, let me try this. Hold on, something's coming off. Take that shit here. Oh, there's something at least. Oh, that don't really look like blood splatter though. But there's something there. I mean, maybe when it come together, they'll like catch the drift. You know what I mean? I don't know. So these other 4 are gonna be covered up here. So I'm just gonna do some on the tip, some at the top, and some at the bottom where it's gonna show. And there we go. It don't really look like blood splatter, but I mean, maybe it'll all come together. Now this is the image we're gonna put on the nail today, because remember I said I can't draw, so we're not about to draw that image. What I did was I went online and I found this image and printed it out. Now if you don't know how to do that, I do have a video coming out. It'll probably be my next video. I recorded it already. I just gotta edit it and put it together. So it'll probably be my next video. So go ahead and subscribe and then hit the notification bell, and then I can show you exactly how I made this. And you go ahead and throw that in a bowl of water. Doesn't take long, real quick, and then we're gonna just put it right here where the empty spaces are. Now I'm gonna start off with one of the fingers that's gonna be in the middle so I can line it up, or attempt to line it up correctly. Just take the image, line it up. And I'm trying to line it up so its face could cut in the middle. And then when I put it together, you can see the whole face. That's what I'm trying to do, honey. Just slide that backing off. And his face is too much on this side. I can already tell. Too much on this nail. And I like this specific paper that I use because, honey, you got all kinds of time to work with it. Just all kinds of time. And it got like a little stretch to it. It's so forgiving. So that didn't work. So let me take the 2 nails, put it in the middle. And then just try to get that in the middle. Once I got it on there, I'm gonna try to tug on it and try to flatten it out some. And I'm gonna lift up one nail because I put it both on there just so I can line it up, but I gotta work one nail at a time. So this is the nail I'm gonna use. So I can take that one off. And this would have been much easier if I didn't have these long ass nails on. Alright, so once I got this lined up, I really can just take my fingernail and press down, and it'll cut the image, it'll cut the paper. Just like this. Give me some time, give me a little time. Press on the edge of the nail. And then bam, that comes right off. And I can set that over to the side for the next nail. So let me finish getting all the paper off of this one first. And gentle, gentle. Peel that shit off. and try to work out any wrinkles. This paper doesn't wrinkle up too bad. And same thing, cut that right on off. Set that on over to the side. Same thing here. Line it up, stick it, cut it. Line it up, stick it, cut it. And here's another way you can cut your image. It's just file it inwards. Like this, one direction, going inwards. And then you can just peel the excess off. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. You know what I just realized? I put the image on upside down. You know what? I got a spare one already printed out, so I'm just gonna lay it on top of this one. I don't have to take it off. But, oh God, what is wrong with me? All right, we got it fixed. I liked it better the first time though, but whatever. Okay, now I made the nails kind of long so you can see where the paper actually ends. So I'm going to try to blend the blood that's on the image into the nail. And this is not the same red, but that's all right. And that looks a little better, right? I mean, it's a little better. Okay. We'll just do that to all of my nails. And after a good cure, I'm just gonna take a coat of hard gel and put on top to make sure that image doesn't scratch off and go anywhere. And once I'm done, I got these little charms from where, people? Amazon, people. That's where I get everything from. And they little butcher knives and knives with blood on it. Real crazy shit. Real crazy stuff. And then I'm just gonna take that and throw some of those on here on a thumb. You know, tie in the whole serial killer look. And here we go. Some simple, easy, yet extravagant Halloween nails. Huh? What do we think? I think they're cute. I could have did a better job blending that blood in, but this is where we're at. And no, they're cute. So if you're into, like, you know, psychopaths and nuts, then, you know, this may be for you. Or maybe you just like Halloween. But I want to thank you for stopping by today. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see how to make the water decal, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when that video comes out, you know, you can see it. And that's all. Have a wonderful day. Bye.